So the question arises, what is a bridge? A bridge is designed to replace more than one missing tooth. A conventional dental bridge is a bridge where the teeth on each side of the space have to be prepared to receive a crown, and in the middle of those two crowns, the fake teeth. So they fill in the space. In our office, we like to replace those missing teeth with implants. And that way I don't have to damage or cut the teeth on either side of the space. So those teeth stay natural, they don't get crowns, and it's just a better solution in my office. So give us a call, let us do a free consultation, evaluate your need, and we can determine if we can replace those missing teeth with implants.